Sibukele sikubingelela sikwamukela indaba ezihora lokuqala emini lezi ndaba lizotholelwa unkosazana wakwaDambuza Maguba nazi esilohlonze emini nje.
Isixelela ke into obana icrime level ye crime apha elizweni jikelele iphezulu kakhulu especially ke apha eMhlonze.
Sekudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abayisithupha kwesinye futhi isigameko sokubulala esenzeke eEastern Cape. Kulokhu kubulawa abantu akade bengamalungu ethimba elisana nobugebengu uqumbu.
There are different things happening at all these provinces. And from here, we are going to walk over to the JSE. We'll hand over memorandums to Busa.
Iyaqhubeka kuzwelonke imashi yomfela ndawonye wenyunyana zezisebenzi khosathu yokukhala ngesimo somnotho esingesihle kuleli kanye nokwentuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi.
We knew, going into the final that we have to give it our all. And when they scored first, still we were calm, we were relaxed. We knew that we have it in us to come back and win the match.
I-Orlando Pirates isaqhubeka nemigubho yayo ngemva kokuba iqembu lokuqala ngqa ukuphakamisa indebe ye-MTN 8 amahlandla amathathu kulandelana ngemva kokuguqisa iStellenbosch FC ngamagoli amathathu eqandeni kowamanqama enkundleni Moses Mabhida eThekwini. Amaphoyisa ase-Eastern Cape aseqinisekisile ukuthi kushona abantu abayisithupha kwathi abane balimala kabi esigamekweni sokudubula esenzeke kuqumbu e-Eastern Cape. Okhulumela amaphoyisa esifundazweni uMajola Nkohli uthi abalimele baphuthunyiswe esibhedlela ngemva kwalesi sigameko esenzeke izolo ebusuku. Ukudubula kwakamuva kuza ngemva kwesonto okudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abayishumi engcubozane elusikisiki. Kubantu abalimele kubiwa ukuthi bekungamalungu ethimba elibhekele ukuphepha komphakathi. Izakhamuzi zithi seyilalo benyoni njengoba igameko zokubulala zenzeka ilandelana lapha.
Isixelela ke into obana icrime level ye crime apha elizweni jikelele iphezulu kakhulu especially ke apha eMhlonze. And icrime esinayo apha kuMasipala izalana nolwabiwo lwemfuyo. Uhulumende ke uyazama because bekulapha ngalamini think beku Friday where civilian secretariat ibilapha izomamela uba zintoni na izikhalazo zabantu bayibekileke kuba eyona nto ingabalalisiyo nebulalisa abantu lolu thatho lwemfuyo ngokungenalo sini.
Kusenjalo bavele enkantolo ngamanye amacala abasolwa abathatha ababoshwe lusikisiki kade ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu uthe labasolwa kungenzeka bayamaniswe nokubulawa kwabantu abayishumi nakade bebanjelwe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo khona elusikisiki.
Inkonzo echukumisayo yabantu abali-18 abasweleke kubusuku obunye. Amalungu osapho abafi asesentlungwini. Abanye kuye kwafuneka bafumane unyango lukhawulezileyo. Bakwathi baziva bephoxekile ngamalungu enkonzo yesipolisa.
Lusikisika sihlalanga kakuhle. Siphila ubomi bokoyika. It's even worse now that kwenzeke lena into. Silogo sisethukelana. Singazi into yokuba isigebenga sizongena xesha nini endlini yakho sizokubulala.
Imibutho engekho phansi korhulumente kunye nemibutho yamalungelo abantu izigxibe kabukhali izenzo zolwaphulo-mthetho eziqhubeka kulo mmandla.
Saqhubeleke i-cases ze-mass murders although zone yona iqatseleyo le esidibene nayo kule iveki esisuka kuyo ibiba ngulowo mntu sive kuthiwa kudutyulwe almost iveki neveki bekudutyulwa umntu elisikisiki.
Umphathiswa wamapolisa uthe abantu abathathu ababanjelwe ezinye izenzo zolwaphulo-mthetho kungenzeka boyanyaniswe nokubulawa kwabantu eNgobozana. Umrhanelwa wesine kulindeleke ukuba abanjwe kungekudala.
They have been arrested for specific cases that will be clarified in court in terms of the charges. But as I say, it is possible, and mind that operational word, that while people or any one of them or all of them get charged for a specific case or specific cases, they may be people of interest in other cases.
Ukanti abafi baza kungcwatywa kule mpelaveki zayo. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude elusikisiki.
Umfelandawonye wenyunyana zezisebenzi COSATU ungenele isiteleka namhlanje okuhloswe ngaso ukuzwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngokungabibikho kwamathuba omsebenzi kuleli kanye nenhlekelele yezomnotho ebangelwa ukungalingani, indlala kanye nokuba khona kwabantu abaningi abangasebenzi.
Njengoba siqhubeka isiteleka seCOSATU kuze lonke, esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal amakhulu ezisebenzi anikele emgwaqeni ephikisana nokudilizwa kwezisebenzi.
We are calling for our business sector, we are calling for our government that we need to work together to stop the job losses that are currently occurring in our country.
Kusenjalo naseBloemfontein inyunyana yezisebenzi isakhawu imashene COSATU ifuna kwenziwe ngcono impilo yezisebenzi zasezitolo.
We will also address the issue of discriminatory tendencies that are being imposed amongst workers, which will divide workers. We need to address the issue of racism in this establishment with the institutions like your Human Rights Commission.
Siqhubekile ke isiteleka nakwezinye izingxenye zezwe.
We see the cost of living going up every day, and the workers are the ones that feel the brunt. So we say government should do more. They should come to the party to create more jobs, to secure areas, have gender-based violence be resolved and addressed in the workplaces.
Are different things happening at all these provinces. And from here we are going to walk over to the JSE. We'll hand over memorandums to BUSA, which is Business Unity South Africa. We will also Discovery. Discovery, you'll know that as part of the medical aid sector, they are opposed to the NHI.
We're here to support the farm workers because the conditions under which they are subjected to work to are not conducive.
Njengamanje balinganiselwa izigidini eziyishumi abantu abangasebenzi kuleli. Umbiko uSihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Siqalile namhlanje isigaba sokuqala sokuhlala kwekhomishana yezobulungiswa njengoba izosingathi ithangamze enhlolo khona ngenhloso yokuvalwa kwezikhala zamajaji ezinkantolo ezahlukene. Kulindele ukuthi namhlanje iJSC ihlome ngembuzo amajaji ayisithupha okuyiwa agaqele ukuqokelwa ezikhundleni ezintathu ezivulekile enkantolo yokwedlulisela amacala eBloemfontein.
And I will hand over to Deputy President Zondi, who represents the SCA today.
Inhloko entsha yabehluleli ijaji uMandisa Maya uye ohola ukuhlala kwale khomishana yamajaji njengoba ekseni namhlanje iqalise ngesithangamsayo senhlolo khona yamajaji afake izicelo zokuvala kwezikhala ezinkantolo ezahlukene. Angamashumi amahlanu nane esewonke amajaji azophekwa ngembuzo phambi kwale khomishana iJSC ezoqhuba izithangamza lenhlolo khona ukuze kuba amasonto amabili.
As a judge of the Supreme Court of Appeal, how are you going to deal with cases where you believe judicial precedent as set out by previous courts is outdated and possibly does no longer address the interest of justice?
We deal with that in the High Court as well. If that happens, you look at the case in front of you, the facts in front of you, the pleaded case, and determine whether this is an appropriate case to develop the law if the facts meet that sort. And yeah.
Ukuhlala kwesithangami sekhomishana yabehluleli kuqhubeka ngaphandle kokuphazamiseka njengoba iMK Party ekseni igcine isithatha isinqumo sokuthi ngeke isaqhubeka nemarch ebiyihlelele ukuthi izoqhinqa ngaphandle lapho kuqhubeka khona lezi ithangami zeJSC kulandela ukwenqatshelwa komholi wayo eParliament uDr John Hlophe ekutheni abe yingxenye yamalungu eJSC azosingathi ukuqhubeka kweinhlelo zenhlolo khona yamajaji azochibiyela izikhala ezivulekile ezinkantolo eziningi ezahlukene.
Owayengumengameli wezwe uThabo Mbeki uthi udaba lokuthola nokuphepha ezwenikazi eAfrika luseyinselelo namanje. Umbeki ubekhuluma esithangamini ebesiseMagaliesburg.
I'm very glad that we all met here. That means we all of us then have a responsibility to carry on our shoulders the outcomes of this dialogue. Because that will be the expectation of the continent. That they couldn't have met just for idle reasons. They met in order to address what is actually a serious challenge on the continent. And they will come with some ideas to make sure that we move forward towards the resolution of this problem. So I'm saying, Chairperson, therefore, that I think somebody did say this, that all of us have a responsibility to make sure that the outcomes of the dialogue, indeed, we don't wait until we meet again next year. We do something about acting on the recommendations that you read out, which were then amended correctly.
We are talking of a person who is mentally drained, a person that has been in solitary confinement, who has got no access to television, who has got no access to a radio, who has got access to virtually nothing, no newspaper, no nothing.
Ummeli womsolwa wesithathu ecaleni lokubulawa kwaSenzomiwa usezwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokuthi akatholi isikhathi esanele sokukhuluma nomsolwa uMuzi Sibiya ngenxa yokuthi uvalelwa ngayedwana usuku lonke ejele. Sikubingelele kwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiya ukuthi sekudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abayisithupha kwesinye futhi isigameko sokubulala esenzeke eEastern Cape. Kulokhu kubulewa abantu akade bengamalungu ethimba eliqapha umphakathi kuqumbu. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus, ngena kuzo uyicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola. Umholi wePAC uMzwanele Nyonto ubehambele inkonzo yomngcwabo kaMbulelo Fihla ubeyilungu lokuqina lePAC. uFihla ubesathatha umhlala phansi emasosheni wedlule emhlabeni ngoLwesibili emva kokuxinwa ngokugula esikhashana njengoba ubexinwe ngomdlavuza.
Unyaze uFihla njengeyilungu lePAC eliyohlala likhumbuleke emlandweni weqembu ngokuzibophezela kwakhe nokusebenzela inhlangano ngokuzikhandla.
He has done his work diligently with devotion and with dedication. We are very proud to have known him very closely, and we are happy to say his contributions are unmatched.
Uphinde wengeza ngelokuthi bazoqhubeka nokulwela lokho kwabe kufunwa izingqalabutho esezalala ezaziphokophelele ukubuyiswa komhlaba.
You have baked this outstanding son of Africa through his life. We know that he would be resting in peace if his baton is taken upon the Fihla clan and taken forward to victory. Comrade Styles.
uRaymond Fihla wake waba yilungu eliphezulu lesigungu seqembu. Ngo-1976 waya ekudingisweni emazweni angaphandle lapho afike wathola khona ukucijwa njengesosha. Ubekwe emathuneni eHeroes Ayikho eWest Park eGoli. Ummeli womsolwa wesithathu ecaleni lokubulawa kwaSenzomiwa uAdvocate Charles Mnisi usezwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokuthi akatholi isikhathi esanele sokukhuluma nomsolwa uMuzi Sibiya ngenxa yokuthi uvalelwa ngayedwana usuku lonke ejele. Manje ufuna ukufaka isicelo sokuthi lo msolwa avunyelwe ukuba axhumane nomndeni wakhe.
My instructions are that he has been in custody in solitary confinement since 2019. People have come in and went out. People who have reoffended whilst in prison, they've stepped police and everything. They've stepped other inmates, they went in and went out. Now, apparently he is told that one of the reasons why he should be kept in solitary confinement is because of this case. Now his question is, some of his colleagues that are also attending, with in this case, that is co-accused, are not in solitary confinement. So why should it be him that is in solitary confinement because of this case, when other accused that are also involved in this case are not in solitary confinement?
iSABC ithi thola umbiko ongenagcobo ovela kumcwaningi mabhuku. Sekuphela iminyaka eyishumi iSABC ingawuthola umbiko ongenalo ugcobo. iSABC ithi ke lemphumela yenziwe indlela ephatha ngayo imali kanye nokulawula ngendlela ukusebenza nje kwayo.
Njengoba nje lungabanga nezinkinga ucwaningo mabhuku lweSABC nekuyinto eyagcina kwenzeka ngonyaka wemali 2009-2010 kube yigxathe elihle kulomsakazelo womphakathi kanti futhi usemningi umsebenzi okufanele wenziwe. Umbiko uveza ukuthi imali engena enkampanini zange ibe nenguquko onyakeni kanti kusukela ngo-2016 yehle ngegidigidi ezimbili zamarandi ngenxa yokwehla kwesibalo sababukeli. Umsakazelo womphakathi uyazi ngezinye indleko ezilinganiselwe emalini engangegidi engama-934 zamarandi. Ngakho ke ukuxhaswa nguhulumeni into eseqhulwini kuwo. Lo msakazelo womphakathi ugcizelele ukuthi kunongabaza njengoba kukhona okufanele ukufeze ezinyangeni eziyishumi ezizayo. Waphinde waveza ukuthi ufuna kube nezinyathelo ezobekwa ukuze zizosiza. Lezi zinyathelo zibandakanya ukumiswa kwezinhlelo zesikhathi eside engaphezulu kwamaphesenti angama-80 kuphinde kunciphiswe nokutshala imali kokuqukethwe. SABC iphinde yadalula ukuthi izinga lokungagokhelwa kwama-TV license likhuphukela finyelela emaphesentini angama-85 kulonyaka njengoba nje isimo somnotho sisibi.
Imeya yomkhandlu wamasibala umzinyathi KwaZulu-Natal umfundisi uPetros Ngubane uthi umkhandlu usuthatha isinqumo sokuqamba kabusha amahhovisi abo abizwe ngomntwana wakwaphindangene uma ngosuthu Buthelezi. uNgubane uthi ngalokho bazobe bekhombisa ukuhlonipha imbabazane emahaqa kanye nokuqhakambisa iqhaza lakhe umntwana wakwaphindangene owayengudondolo lwesilo.
We are prompted by first and foremost the need to also appreciate and express our appreciation for what this excellent president of the IFP then, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, has done for the nation, not only the Zulu nation, but the South African at large, and his contribution to peace initiative and all what he has done. We then decided upon renaming this in 2020, taking it to the ESCO and to the full council, where an enormous, resolution was taken that we go ahead, but following all the right channels when renaming is done.
Usheshe wafika uKhismusi emndenini namalunga ayishumi eMotherwell eGqeberha, eEastern Cape. Lo mndeni washelwa umuzi wawo ezinyangeni ezimbili ezedlule. Uze kwadlula ubusika lo mndeni uqhuqwa amakhaza. Manje ke usuze wakhelwa indlu.
Emva kudlule inyanga ezimbini usapho lwakwaBhudaza belungaxolanga emphefumulweni emva kokutsha kwendlu yabo. Umnini wendlu uKholeka Bhudaza okhubazekileyo wothuka esibhedlele emva kwesisehlo. LokaBhudaza unalo neziko labantwana abancinci crèche ukutsho emva kwendlu yakhe. Kodwa emva kokutsha kwendlu leyo ukufundiswa kwabantwana kuye kwama. Namhlanje uchulumancile emphefumulweni emva kokufumana indlu entsha kunye nefinisha yayo. Khange akwazi ukuzibamba imincili.
Ndabarongo ndayazi noba ndiphi but ezingqondweni ndabuya ingqondo xa ndizogalela amanzi ndawa phansi. Ukuwa kwami kwakucingela uba kukho umntana oserumini ndabaleka ndothatha umntana erumini.
Umasipala ombhaxa eNelson Mandela Bay usasilela kumsebenzi ukunikezela ngezindlu eziyi-90,000. Iinkampani zabucala zingenelele ngeenzame zokukhalulana lemeko.
Lo sizawuqhubeka siyenza lento kubantu bakuthi baseMpuma Koloni abasixhasa kakhulu siyiChippa United. Ngoba ke nam ndingumphathi weChippa United ngumlosuka kwimeko ehlelelekileyo. uThixo wanceda ngenye imini wandibeka kule ndawo, so ngeke ndilibala lapho ndisuka khona.
Iphondo leMpuma Koloni ikhuphe imali engaphaya kwe-200 million yokwakha izindlu kuquka nokudala amathuba emisebenzi engama-2,000. Ndinguzolani Moya wendaba ze-SABC ndiseGqeberha.
Unobhala jikelele wenhlangano yezizwe uAntonio Guterres usephawule ngokuphela konyaka owodwa wokuhlasela kweHamas kwelawa Israel ngomlayezo wevideo othi sekuyisikhathi sokuthula umthetho wamazwe ngamazwe kanye nobulungiswa.
Again, the immediate and unconditional release of all hostages. Until then, Hamas must allow the International Committee of the Red Cross to visit those hostages. The 7th of October is naturally a day to focus on the events of that awful day. I express my solidarity with all the victims and their loved ones. Since October 7th, a wave of shocking violence and bloodshed has erupted. The war that has followed the terrible attacks of 1 year ago continues to shatter lives and inflict profound human suffering for Palestinians in Gaza and now the people of Lebanon.
Abantu bakulelizwe bayixhome uphaphe legwalagwala iBig Walk ngelithi khuthaza futhi igqugquzela ukuthi abantu bayinakekele. Inkulungwane beziyingxenye yeBig Walk behamba ngeenyawo. Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo Gayton McKenzie uthi ke abaholi kumele babe yisibonelo kulabo abaholayo.
Usuku liqale kahle enhlokodolobha. Labo ababambe iqhaza kulolu hambo bebebukeka bejabulile ukugijima amabanga ahlukene. Isiqobulo sakulonyaka besithi Walk for Your Health.
A combat runner, a two oceans runner. So at work, I always encourage colleagues to be active.
Ulindile Mzele oneminyaka engama-45 uthathe indawo yokuqala emjaheni ka-15 km.
It was not easy, but anyway, it was a good run. For me, at the moment, I'm preparing for Cape Town Marathon.
Intokozo ibibhalwe ebusweni entsheni.
Yes, I learned something that you must always keep trying.
The walk was very fun. We really enjoyed it with our family. It was very fun and it also brings families together as well.
Kanti nabadala bebengazibekile phansi.
5 kilometers, next time it will be 10.
We wish that at least they can do it for us every year.
The kilos are gone. Yeah, we enjoyed it.
Abaningi bathole ithuba lokusondelana nongqongqoshe wezemidlalo.
We are a winning nation and we must be healthy, and I want to encourage everyone to say take your health serious. Take your health serious. Come walk here. We're going to have more of this all over South Africa, in all provinces.
Abantu abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-35 bebebambe iqhaza ku-Big Walk. Abahleli balomcimbi banethemba lokuthi lesibalo sizophindwaphindwa kaningi ngokuzayo.
I-Orlando Pirates iqophe umlando iba yiqembu lokuqala lokunqoba umqhudelwano iMTN 8 amahlandla amathathu kulandelana. Leli qembu liguqise iStellenbosch FC ngamagoli amathathu kwelilodwa ngomgqibelo ntambama eThekwini ukunqoba le ndebe.
iPirates inqoba indebe yesihlanu ngaphansi komqeqeshi uJose Riviero. Leli qembu lingene kulomdlalo kuyilona bekubheka ukuthi linqobe. Kodwa umdlalo weStellies ulihlohono lomajela uma ngaze abaningi eshaya igoli lokuqala ukuze iqembu lakhe lihambe phambili. iPirates ibisithola ifree kick ngaphandle kwebhokisi neshawa uhotho kodwa yangavinjwa kahle nozinto weStellies nokholela kuthena uSaleng alinganisa umdlalo. iPirates ibisishaya amagoli amabili ngesihombe sesibili ukuphakamisa le ndebe. Ukapteni wePirates Innocent Mayele uthi ubazi ukuthi iStellies izoba ingozi kodwa kuba mkantshubovu kweqembu lakhe kutshengisile enkundleni.
We knew that they're a very good team. You know, they always play well when they play against us. They always have a good plan. And then, you know, they give us a tough time. But we knew, you know, going into the final that we have to give it our all.
uMayele uncome kakhulu umqeqeshi weqembu Riviero ngendlela singethe ngalo leli qembu futhi bayithakasele kakhulu lesizini.
He must keep on guiding us, continue being the father figure that he is, and he must continue making us better and better players. You know, this is history. His name will be forever be remembered, you know, within the club, within our country.
iPirates izotholana phezulu namaZulu kwePSL emidlalweni olandelayo eOrlando eSoweto mhla zingama-25 kwephezulu.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukele siyibeka lapha indaba zehora lokuqala emini, siyabuya futhi ngehora lesikhombisa. Umusa wenkosi ube nani nonke.